I have good news for small and medium-sized businesses. A brand new oil-injected screw compressor range. The G1522 is quiet, efficient, powerful and reliable. In short, it checks all the boxes that matters to most business owners. And what's even better, this robust quality comes with the lowest investment cost. Let me show you what makes the G1522 truly special. First of all, it has the well-known patented Atlas Copco element, which allows for 100% duty cycle. The G1522 is belt-driven, which means it's very silent in operation and has very low vibrations. For customers who really need quality air, the G1522 is available in a full-feature version with integrated refrigerant dryer and optional air filters. The G1522 is available in floor-mounted and tank-mounted version. Either way, they both come with a small footprint. Thanks to the smart placement of the cooling air outlet, this unit can be placed against the wall or even in a corner. And access to the main components, as well as to the filters and the oil separator, make the unit easy for zero hassle maintenance. The G1522 comes with our own base controller, which offers an easy-to-read, icon-based display that shows pressure settings, running hours, service timers, and more. As you can see, this entry-level unit brings real value to your workflow. This robust, basic, belt-driven machine provides the lowest investment cost for businesses running limited amount of running hours.